Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing something a little bit different. I've noticed more and more commonly out there are a lot of recipes floating around that have Bisquick as one of the main ingredients, and a lot of us that cook a fair amount don't really keep Bisquick around at home. I know whenever I go to make biscuits, I just make biscuits with, an older recipe that doesn't have Bisquick or pancakes or whatever. I don't commonly rely on Bisquick itself. But a lot of you do, and that's perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with that. I just find that Bisquick has less uses than all of its ingredients, and it kind of narrows you down a little bit. And it also costs quite a bit more than all the individual ingredients broken down. So what we're going to do today is we're going to bridge that gap. And we're going to do just as you would in a restaurant. We're going to show you how to make Bisquick using all of the other ingredients, as opposed to just relying on having Bisquick in your cabinet at all given times. So here we go, enjoy. I'm going to go into a pot, as you can tell, and I just like a pot in the way the straight sides that fit the paddles on the mixer here are actually going to work well together. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in 1 cup of the regular AP flour, 1 tablespoon of the regular baking powder, not soda, baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next we're going to add in the blended oil, 1 tablespoon. At this point you can also use butter or vegetable shortening. A lot of times I will use butter, but if you want to make this shelf stable and pretty consistent, vegetable oil will work just fine, and then it doesn't need to be refrigerated or anything, and you can let it hang out for quite some time. As you can see here, I'm just going through and beating all the clumps back together until you have one smooth product. Alright, now that it's all incorporated, the Bisquick is officially done. So store it however you see fit. I like to just put mine in a jar in the cabinet, and you can tell, just light, fluffy, and seasoned flour basically, with a small amount of leavening agent. So there you have it. That's your easy, completely shelf-stable substitute that is an even cheaper alternative to having Bisquick in your cabinet. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy. I would also love to see what you make with it, so if you don't mind, drop a comment in the comment sections down below. Thank you very much.